Driving theory test. Question 1. You are parked at the side of the road. You will be waiting for some time for a passenger. What should you do? Use your headlights. Switch off the radio. Switch off the engine. Apply the steering lock. Time to think. The correct answer is switch off the engine. Explanation: if your vehicle is stationary and is likely to remain so for some time, switch off the engine. We should all try to reduce global warming and pollution. Question 2. What's the legal minimum insurance cover you must have to drive on public roads? Personal injury cover. Comprehensive. Third party only. Third party, fire and theft. Time to think. The correct answer is third party only. Explanation: the minimum insurance required by law is third-party cover. This covers your liability to others involved in a collision, but not damage to your vehicle. Basic third-party insurance also won't cover theft or fire damage. Ask your insurance company for advice on the best cover for you and make sure that you read the policy carefully. Question 3. Yellow zigzag lines on the road outside schools mean you must not drive over these lines. You should not park or stop on these lines. Stop to allow children to cross. Sound your horn to alert other road users. Time to think. The correct answer is you should not park or stop on these lines. Explanation: where there are yellow zigzag markings, you should not park, wait or stop, even to pick up or drop off children. A vehicle parked on the zigzag lines would obstruct children's view of the road and other drivers' view of the pavement. Where there is an upright sign, there is mandatory prohibition of stopping during the time shown. Question 4. How can you tell when you are driving over black ice? It is easier to brake. The noise from your tires sounds louder. You will see tire tracks on the road. Your steering feels light. Time to think. The correct answer is your steering feels light. Explanation: sometimes you may not be able to see that the road is icy. Black ice makes a road look damp. The signs that you're traveling on black ice can be that. The steering feels light. The noise from your tires suddenly goes quiet. Question 5. In order to supervise a learner driver, you need to have held a full driving license for the same category of vehicle for at least 3 years. What other requirement must you meet? To have a car with dual controls. To be at least 21 years old. To hold an advanced driving certificate. To be an approved driving instructor. Time to think. The correct answer is to be at least 21 years old. Explanation: learner drivers benefit by combining professional driving lessons with private practice. However, you need to be at least 21 years old and have held your driving license for at least 3 years before you can supervise a learner driver. Question 6. Your vehicle has broken down on an automatic railway level crossing. What should you do first? Telephone your vehicle recovery service to move it. Try to push the vehicle clear of the crossing as soon as possible. Get everyone out of the vehicle and clear of the crossing. Walk along the track to give warning to any approaching trains. Time to think. The correct answer is get everyone out of the vehicle and clear of the crossing. Explanation: firstly, get yourself and anyone else well away from the crossing. If there's a railway phone, use that to get instructions from the signal operator. Then, if there's time, move the vehicle clear of the crossing. Question 7. What must you do when the amber light is flashing at a pelican crossing? Give way to pedestrians already on the crossing. Stop and wait for the green light. Stop and wait for the red light. Give way to pedestrians waiting to cross. Time to think. The correct answer is give way to pedestrians already on the crossing. Explanation: firstly, get yourself and anyone else well away from the crossing. If there's a railway phone, use that to get instructions from the signal operator. Then, if there's time, move the vehicle clear of the crossing. Question 8. What's the minimum time gap you should leave when following a vehicle on a wet road? 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Time to think. The correct answer is 4 seconds. Explanation: water will reduce your tire's grip on the road. The safe separation gap of at least 2 seconds in dry conditions should be doubled to at least 4 seconds in wet weather. Question 9. Why are these yellow lines painted across the road? To tell you the distance to the roundabout. To help you keep the correct separation distance. To make you aware of your speed. To help you choose the correct lane. Time to think. The correct answer is to make you aware of your speed. Explanation: these lines are often found on the approach to a roundabout or a dangerous junction. They give you extra warning to adjust your speed. Look well ahead and do this in good time. Question 10. You wish to tow a trailer. Where would you find the maximum nose weight of your vehicle's tow ball? In your license documents. In your vehicle registration certificate. In the vehicle handbook. In the highway code. Time to think. The correct answer is in the vehicle handbook. Explanation. You must know how to load your trailer or caravan so that the hitch exerts a downward force onto the tow ball. This information can be found in your vehicle handbook or from your vehicle manufacturer's agent.